Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Some of our reporter friends just few hours back that I had a talk with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam yesterday, even though and today also. So even though he was very busy because of the unfortunate incidents that took place in Mizoram, we still managed to speak, and we both have decided that there should not be any further instigation, and we should try to maintain peace. And therefore both sides have been asked to refrain and restrain, and accordingly that is what has been happening. Similarly, from the MDA, I asked the local MLA, Shri Sostene Sotun, to go and make a field visit, which he has done today. He's gone down to ground zero and he has met the people, and he will be submitting a report to me very shortly, maybe within few hours. But as I said, I have been in touch with the Deputy Commissioner from our side, and our Chief Secretary has also spoken to his counterpart in Assam, and accordingly the DC of Ribhoi also is in constant touch with the DC of Kamrup and other officials, and therefore the matter as of now is under control. And we also urge everybody in both sides that we should maintain peace. Both the state governments are working towards finding an amicable solution to this. So therefore we will work towards it. But in the meantime, we ask and request all citizens to refrain from both sides, both the administrations to refrain also from any kind of aggressive movement, so that we are able to move forward in this discussion and find amicable solution to this very long pending issue between the two states. So depending also on the talks, we will be finalizing the locations, but some of the locations which are very much within the borders and there is no differences and no dispute, in those areas we will be going ahead with those outposts. And as I said, in the more sensitive areas, once the talks move forward, once we're able to amicably resolve it, because outpost, if we create, and it just leads to more tension and more aggression and more differences in the situation, then it doesn't serve the purpose that we're looking at. So therefore we'll see all those factors, and then we'll take a call on especially the super sensitive locations that are there.